Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install MongoDB in Windows 11. So first of all we have to go to the MongoDB website. We have to write M1 MongoDB. Download option. Here is the MongoDB community. First of all, we will only download the MongoDB community server. We have to select the package. Running, we have using 7.0.4. It's a current version. Select as because in our computer system is Windows 11 64-bit. That's why we will select 64-bit. Package, it's a MSI, that means Microsoft Software Installer. See, we will click the MSI file, then download. So next, I accept this term for the license agreement. Next, basically if we recommend complete, then it will take automatically. We sub by default complete. No need to do anything for this case. Only we will click by default whatever it has. Here if we give the sign, so install MongoDB Compass already come in my PC screens. So install. It is working. So here MongoDB Compass has come. Here is the option. So if we see the new collections or connected our server, here our MongoDB. So thank you so watching for this video. Please subscribe this channel.